Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a circle hook. Circle hooks are incredibly effective and promote healthier catch and release practices. They are designed to hook fish in the corner of the mouth, minimizing the chance of gut hooking. Understanding their unique mechanism is key to successful fishing. We will cover proper baiting, the gentle set, and reeling in your catch. Get ready to improve your fishing success with these simple techniques. Proper baiting is crucial for circle hook success. You want to thread your bait onto the hook, making sure the hook point and the entire gap remain completely clear. This allows the hook to rotate freely and embed itself correctly in the fish's jaw. Avoid using too much bait, as this can block the hook's path. For live bait, a light hook placement ensures it stays lively and attractive to your target species. This is the most important difference. With a circle hook, you do not jerk the rod to set it. When you feel a bite, simply allow the fish to take the bait and swim away. Maintain a steady, consistent pressure on the line. As the fish moves, the hook will naturally rotate and embed itself in the corner of its mouth. This passive approach is incredibly effective and prevents gut hooking, making for a much cleaner catch. After the hook is set, it is time to reel in your catch. Begin by reeling steadily, keeping constant tension on the line. Maintain your rod tip up at about a 45-degree angle to absorb any sudden movements from the fish. Use a smooth pumping motion, lifting the rod and then reeling down to gain line. Never allow slack in your line, as this is when a fish can easily throw the hook. Enjoy your successful catch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.